I'm Mel Rosamond. I'm a real estate connector. I connect people to property locally, Australia and worldwide. So I had some struggles happening in my personal life where we thought, right, this isn't working for us. So we packed up our home and we rented out our house and we hopped in a caravan to follow one of our dreams to travel Australia. When I first started listening to the book on being better, I was at a transitional time in my life. And for some reason, I've had a block with getting my health back on track. So I first met Chad in a training program on video marketing. Chad mentioned that he has been writing a book on being better. And obviously, like all of us as humans, what do we want? Well, we all want to be better people, better mothers, better friends, better wives. And it's been an ongoing issue for me for years and years and years. For some reason, I was just stuck in no man's land. It was like darkness. When I listened to Chad's book, I was really struggling with my mind. And it was a huge battle for me just to do the simple things. Like, for some reason, I had a massive block there. For a period of perhaps 7 years, I've just been on the road of no inspiration or motivation. Chad talks about in his book is the ripple effect. And this one I really resonated with. Already it's happening for me. Good things are starting to happen. So that's the ripple effect. So I'm feeling good and I've started to do better at work and I haven't been working much over the last 7 months. So it's just that one action a day that can lead to better and greater things in life. The greatest benefit that I've received being better with ourselves, it's making all the difference in my life. What made me happy about purchasing the book is it's pretty clear that Chad has lived a purposeful life. He's also been gifted in miraculous ways, and to be a part of that in the way of me receiving the takeaways that I now have in my life, but not only for me, but my family as well. Anyone that wants to better their life and therefore the lives of others really need to get Chad's book. The valuable information or the positive impact that this could have on your life, money can't buy that. You're getting so much value for such a little price. To have an author read you their life work, and to have that author there with you, with their voice, it is a miraculous experience. But it was very simple and straight to the point and organised in a likeable way. The message was very clear. This book is so powerful. Purchase the book because you will know that it's your time now.